Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ndem and you're so welcome. But if you are not a subscriber, hey, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing great. On today's video, I'll be doing this hairstyle on my natural hair. Alright guys, if this sounds like something you're interested in, then keep watching. Okay guys, this is my hair. I washed it last night. Then I just had to put it in this twist. I'll be taking down the twist, then I'll use water to apply on my hair to help me so it'll be easy for me to comb the hair. Then I'll go ahead and apply my moisturizer. Okay guys, now I'm just separating my hair into two parts from ear to ear and just making sure that the lines are neat, like trying as much as possible to make it neat, since I can really see the part of my hair that I'm working on. Okay guys, after parting my hair from ear to ear, what I'll do is I'll use a rubber band to hold to do the bun at the back, and I'll just be brushing it using my comb to brush the back and then try to put it in a little bun. Then later on at the front, I'm going to do the same thing at the front. I'm going to section the hair at the corners, then because I'm going to be doing two little cornrows on the sides. Okay guys, for the hairstyle, I'll try as much as possible not to use gel on my hair. The only time I'm going to be using gel is to try and lay down my edges. That's just all. I'm trying to avoid using too much gel on my hair. Like, I don't know about you, but for me, leaving gel on my hair for like a week, it actually breaks my hair. I don't know the reason, but if it's just a hairstyle that I want to use for 2-3 days, I can apply gel on my hair. But since it's something that I'll be leaving it like for a week or a week and a half, so I don't like to apply gel. That's just a reason for me. Guys, as I'm working, I'm applying water because the hair is drying up so fast with the heat. So since when my hair is a little bit damp, it's very easy to manage. That's why at and you see me spraying it with water all the time. Okay guys, so I did the back. I'm just going to use a rubber band at the front to hold it. Then after that, I'll be using my brush to try as much as possible to make it look. Then I do a little bit a little braid on the hair. Then use a bobby pin to try and secure it down. Okay guys, if you've watched up to this point, please kindly give me a thumbs up just to help me with this video. Thank you. It's the baby hairs time. Like guys, this is the part where I don't know, my baby hairs don't ever comes out right. Like I struggle to try to lay them down. So just take it as you see it, because baby hair for me is such a struggle, but I'm trying my best. Okay guys, I'll be using this head wrap to tie my hair and I'll try to make it tight so it will help me to lay down the hair flat. Then for the bun, I'll be using this Mali hair. I had this hair in the house and I've actually used this to do the faux locks on my hair. So I'll be using it for the bun. What I'll do is I'll use a rubber band, tie it around in the middle, then attach the rubber band onto my head. Then what I'll do is twist the hair, try to twist the hair, then wrap it around. Then I'll use bobby pins to secure it. Okay guys, go ahead and thumbs up this video if you've watched up to this point, because I know sometimes you finish watching, you like the video, but you forget to hit the like button. But please, I'll go ahead and do the same process at the back of the head. Hey guys, that was just it for this video. If like, you can check this style out. I went ahead and put a little bit of accessories on the hair, and I think it's popping. And as for this makeup look, guys, I'm definitely going to be posting a video very soon, so please hit that subscribe button if you want to know when I post it. Okay guys, that was it for this tutorial. Tell me what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you like videos like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, so anytime I post a new video you won't miss out. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.